I posted a video previously of Nemo and his fear of the ceiling fan. I think particularly the prongs. And this week I installed a new ceiling fan. It's actually not too hard. The hardest part was probably just the wiring, but even that's pretty basic. And evidently, while I've been gone, Nemo is just absolutely beside himself over this new ceiling fan. He is freaking out. He will not respond to me calling him. It's okay, baby. It's just a ceiling fan. It's literally not going to do anything. But he is just all kinds of crazy right now. Oh. He's basically just pacing back and forth, crying. Yeah. I love you, buddy. You had a rough day?